how to install drivers for your Canon printer in Windows 11. So if your printer's not working or you just want to install the latest drivers, I'll show you how to do this. Now, first thing you need to do is load up an internet browser and then just search for Canon printer driver and press search. You can then click on this top website, and this will take you over to the official Canon page. So if you go and scroll down, you can click on By Product, and then click on the Search by Model Name. Now what you need to do is search for the model number of your printer. Now your model number will be located on the back of your printer. So I already know my model number, so I'm going to type it in like this and then just press search. You could then scroll down and select your printer from the list. You could then scroll down and you'll find all of your different drivers. Now this top one is typically the most up-to-date version, so we're going to click this and then you can press download. Click on your downloads folder in the top right hand side and then you can run this executable file. You could then just go through the steps on the screen and this will install the latest driver to your computer. Once you've done this, you can restart your computer and you'll now have the most up-to-date drivers for your Canon printer.